Hi guys, welcome back to Mountain Mount Project. So this is the proposed place we want to put the borehole. So you can see preparation is ongoing. We had to dig two wells, one at the back and one in the, you can see the second one, and this is where the borehole is going to be positioned. This is a day before the borehole is being done. So you see the day is finally here. The guys have arrived. They came with two pumping machines and all the materials that are required. This is the iron pipe that goes down for digging the borehole. In fact, they came with three pumps, so they came with more than enough materials. Then they are going to bring out the casing pipe and the 1-inch pipe, but this first has to do its work. So as you can see, they are starting after putting oil around the pipes. Now you can see they are putting the first 6-inch pipe. That's where the demarcation of where the borehole is going to sit. And while doing that, the iron rods have been oiled while the pumping machines are also working, making sure that the water is being pumped. So you can see they are putting the iron rod into the pipe. Then this casing pipe, they have to cut it so the dirty water can also come out from it. You can see this is the casing pipe and the 1-inch pipe that will all be used in this project. So you can see the work is going on now. The pipes, these iron pipes, have been installed in the ground. So you can see they have to turn, because this is the drilling pipe. They have to use that 4-way iron to tighten it. Once it's tightened, then that is when they roll it. Then the pipe keeps going down. They are digging. This is what they call digging process. So this is the process of digging the borehole. Once the iron rod goes down to where the pipe has reached the end, they lose it and then they bring it up. So once the digging is going on, the sand keeps coming out. That is why they need to pump water steadily. Water needs to pump into the drilling pipe, the iron drilling pipe, so that the ground will be getting softer. You see, this is how the drilling pipe is being installed. So for your information, you can see water is still pumping out from the pipe. Then the water is going to be tightened into the drilling pipe so that it will be easy. You can see it has to be tightened well also. So after this is done, they install the drilling pipe into the previous one, because they have to install it one by one. So you can see it's not a one-man's job. It has to be done. This job was done by 8 men in total, 8 workers. So you can see the water keeps going into these pipes, into these drilling pipes, to make the ground softer. Then they bring the turner up. Once they bring the turner lever up, they are going to start turning it to dig it deep inside. They brought 22 of these drilling pipes, and each of the drilling pipe is 10 meters. So as you can see now, 22 of it means they are going 220 feet down. So this borehole is 220 feet. So they use 22 pipes in total. Now you see the process of taking it in. Now you can see this is how the water goes in, then the turning goes on and it keeps going down. Then after it goes down finally, then they install the casing pipe. Then after they installing the casing pipe, that is when they now install the pumping machine, which is the sumo. Then after installing the sumo, they install it with the 1-inch pipe. So that is how the borehole is being done. Once the drilling pipe has been finished using, they remove it. Then you can see now only the casing pipe is here. They have installed it. They are waiting for the thing to get stronger. Then they will pump all the dirty water from inside the borehole out. Then after this is the back of the submersible pump. You have to make sure to get a quality submersible pump. It has to be copper, because aluminium spoils quickly. So you have to get a copper one. So now you can see this is the process of pumping out the dirty water from the borehole, which has been just drilled. So they are pumping out the dirty water. So after this dirty water is being pumped, the pumping machine, which is the sumo, is going to be installed and then we can start pumping out the water from the borehole. So this is the final process of making the borehole ready. So you can see they are installing the wiring of the pumping machine, because we need to test it out. So we are connecting the light, the pumping machine direct to the light. This is how it's been done. You can see I had to bring some wire from my flat, because they wanted to use a gen, but I told them gen would be so stressful, so we had to connect wires to join it directly to the electricity. And then now this is how it's working. Finally, we have water pumping out from the borehole. So you can see the first water pumping out from the borehole isn't that clean, because that is the dirty water which was used for the borehole. So after this, the dirty water is being pumped out. We pumped it for about 5 hours straight, so all the dirty water can pump out. And then after that, when you check it out again and pump it, then the water became clean. We ran it for about 7 hours, before the water got clean. So make sure to flush it well. It had to be flushed properly before we can get the clean water. So now the water is fully clean, as you can see, and the borehole is active. This is amazing to see. Like, everything is so nice. It wasn't an easy job, but I just did a quick one for this, because if I say I should video the whole process, it's going to be so long. So this is just a brief video showing you how a borehole is being done in a swamp area, because this is a swamp area, this is a waterlogged area. So before you can get the clean water, you have to go deep. Even with the clean water, there are still some components of iron there, so you need to still treat the water to be fully clean. So this is the process of drilling a borehole in a waterlogged area or in a swamp area. So guys, stay tuned, subscribe for more videos like this. One love.